Hello guys, welcome back to another video about TLM token. What's the price of TLM token? What's the price changes occur and TLM? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new to my channel or if you don't subscribe, so make sure to subscribe for more news and update videos guys. The currently latest price of TLM alien worlds token is about 0.4157 USD dollar. That is the currently price of TLM token. And other side you can see 17.56% positive changes occur in the TLM token guys. So the changes is going unbelievable positive. So I think due to these positive changes, a lot of people are now start investing in a TLM token guys. Other side guys, you can see here 75% trading volume increase, 17% and 17% free diluted market cap increase guys. So these everything is going to the moon. It's a profit opportunity. Buy now for more profit guys. If you want to profit, buy now and make a huge profit guys. Anyways, let me show you more about TLM token. Wow, from price chart it's also clear guys, that's going to the moon. You can see here how much fastest the price of TLM increase guys. And same look here, the trading volume 511.12. So guys, they are going to the moon. Just buy now and you make a huge profit guys. Anyways guys, my personal recommendation, my personal suggestion from my holders is that guys, it is a low price coin and absolutely if you want to buy, so I think it's a golden opportunity. It is a low price coin. And other hand, the profit is very good guys. Change is going positive, so it's profit. Buy now, hold for a long time guys. Thanks for watching guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching.